Stop comparing your chapter 2 to someone else chapter 20. Or stop comparing your chapter 1 to chapter 10 of someone. You are not behind. You are just early. Big creators didn't start big. They started messy. Let me tell you something most creators won't admit. Comparing your page to big creators will either inspire you or silently destroy your confidence. You open your Facebook, you are seeing 100K followers, their high quality videos, their brand, their viral comments, and when you look at your page, 200 followers, low views, still figuring out lighting, still nervous to show up on camera. And you start thinking, maybe I'm not out for this. But here's what you are forgetting. You are seeing their highlight reels. You are not seeing their first 50 videos with 10 views. You are not seeing the years they posted consistently with no applause. You are not seeing the doubt they had behind the scenes. Big creators are not better than you. They are just farther in the journey. Instead of comparing, study. Instead of doubting or your mind filled with doubts, document. Instead of saying, I'm not there yet, you must say this, I'm building. Because progress in content creation is invisible before it's obvious. And one day, someone will look at your page and compare themselves to you. The only person you should compare yourself to is the version of you who was too scared to start. Keep posting, keep improving, keep learning. Your chapter 20 is coming, but only if you survive chapter 2.